Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking fit. The steel watti must match the nut or valve you'll work on. If not, fit a 0. 5 or 1/2 adapter so contact is solid. Once set, position the bike on a stand or flipped so the wheel spins freely. This makes adjustments smooth and visible. Put on gloves and eye protection because steel tools cut quickly. Make one small turn to seat the watti and confirm engagement before applying higher torque, so you don't round the nut. You now refine the adjustment. Use measured, incremental torque so you can feel changes. This prevents over-tightening and keeps threads safe. While spinning the wheel, watch rim run out and use a gauge or caliper to detect lateral wobble. Then make tiny counter turns on the opposite side to balance tension and true the rim. Once you see improvement, recheck brake pad clearance and hub play because a shifted axle or uneven spoke tension will affect braking and chain line. Make complementary tweaks until everything moves. You finish by torquing to the recommended spec. If a torque wrench is available, use it and note the value for next time because consistent settings prevent future problems. After tightening, take a cautious test ride, a short loop at low speed, and listen for clicks or rubbing. Once stopped, recheck fasteners and wheel true. If something feels off, loosen the adjustment a touch, reseat the hardware, inspect threads for damage, and replace any compromised parts before riding again to avoid sudden failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.